Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get new emojis in Windows 10. As you guys can see, now I am having whole emojis. Now let's get started. First, download this Windows 11 emoji font from the link I have given in the description. Also, don't rename it because if you rename it, it may not work. Now, go to the search bar and type for CMD. Right click and run as administrator. Now copy paste this command in the command prompt window. I have given it in the description. This will delete the old font so that we can install the new one. As you guys can see, the operation completed successfully. Now close the window. Now open the file. Now click on install. Now the new emoji will be installed. Now restart your computer to see the changes. Now I have done restarting. Now you guys can see that my emojis have changed from old to newer one. You guys can have a look at it. You guys can see my emojis have been changed to newer one, which looks cooler than the older one. Now I can type and enjoy the new emoji. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.